So we're going to continue to work with equations. This time we're not only going to solve equations, but also we're going to check equations. We're going to do both. Okay? So what I'm going to do is the following. How many terms do I have inside my parentheses on this one?
2.
So what I'm going to do? Okay, so I have my A here, and I have my A here. What will go inside my parentheses for each of them?
One of them has 2y and the other one has -1.
2y and the other one has -1. Is that right? So what would this give me now?
16y.
16y, and this will be equals to?
-8.
-8. Can I combine these terms?
No.
I won't be able to combine them because they're not like terms. So now I'm going to just bring down my equal sign. I will do the same thing with the other part of the distributive property. I'm going to rewrite my 3 on both sides. The first term is 16, and my second term is 3y. Is that right? So now 3 times 16 will give me equals to?
48.
Okay, and what will be 3 times 3y?
9.
Positive 9y. Can I combine those two terms?
No.
So now is the time to find the like terms. I'm going to do now my like terms. I'm going to start with my -8 and my positive 48. Between them, I have my equal sign, which is telling me inverse, inverse, inverse operation. So I'm going to do my positive A here, goes away. 60y equals to 56. I'm going to bring down my 9y. Now here, I'm noticing a lot of you are here. I'm noticing a lot of you are making the mistake. This here and this here are still like terms. We cannot do the division yet. They still are like terms, and we have to get rid of them. So now, if this is positive 9y, I must have a negative, my inverse operation, 9y, negative 9y, which means that this here is going to give me equals to a 7y, this goes away, equals to 56. I'm going to divide that. This is multiplication. Now I could do my inverse operation. That's multiplication, inverse operation or multiplication, division, division. Which means that y will be equals to?
8.
Do we all agree?
Yes.
Okay, 8. So now look what I do. This is already we have been learning about how to solve equation, how to solve equation, how to solve equation. That's the way that we solve. Now we're going to check. What I'm going to do is that while I'm checking, the y is going to be the following.
8.
This is becoming what?
8.
8. And what is this becoming?
8.
Is that right? So I'm just substituting right now my y's. That's all I'm doing. And all my other numbers, what I'm doing with them, I'm just bringing them down. I'm going to bring them down. I have 2, I have -1, I have equals, I have 3, I have 16, I have plus, I have 3. That's all I'm doing. I'm just substituting my y's.
And I have 4.
So now, thank you. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to multiply this and this. That will give me equals to 16 minus 1. And I'm going to bring down the 8.
8.
I'm still going to work with my inside parentheses. That will give me a 15. What is 15 times 8? Who would like to tell me what is 15 times 8? Let's see. Victor. 120. Do we agree with that? Do we all agree with that? 120. Now, look at this here. I'm waiting. I'm going to do first. 3 times 8. What would that give me?
24.
Plus my 16. What would that give me?
40.
And 40 times 3. What would that give me?
120.
Do I have 120 on each side of the equation?
Yes.
Did I solve 3 times 4? Did I solve and check my equation?
Yes.
So now, solving and checking.